Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take long screenshot in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Like screenshot, you will follow 3 methods, but how to take long screenshot? That's the question here. Just follow my video. First of all, go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here from this Google search page, search engine page, I would like to take a screenshot. Okay, using button, that is power button and volume down button, you will usually take a screenshot. Okay, just press them together and after that click on this extend icon. Okay, extend icon will be available in the floating window. Just click on it and the screen will be extended if you have a longer page. Okay, so finally if you would like to stop extending, just click over the image and it will be stopped and saved to gallery and you can open screenshot. Okay, see here, screenshot is allow give access. Okay, I have mistakenly clicked on not access. Okay, so in this way you can take a long screenshot. Okay, this is first method. Then second method, for second method use palm swipe. Okay, with the palm swipe, swipe from left side screen, left side edge of the screen to right side edge or right side edge to left side edge and click on extend icon after that. Okay, and the screenshot will be extending and click on it, give allow all and see here, this is the long screenshot. Okay, and there is also a third method of taking long screenshot. So for that you go to enable first accessibility menu. Okay, accessibility option, accessibility menu. Okay, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility and here select interaction and texturity and turn on assistant menu and give permission and you will have the assistant menu icon over the screen and you can place it anywhere on the screen. And now go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot, that is long screenshot, and click on this icon and click on screenshot and screenshot will be taken. Then after that you go to press this extend icon. Okay, so in these 3 methods you can take a screenshot or long screenshots in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye, all the best.